Have you ever studied for hours, for a test, an exam, or something you really wanted to remember, only to forget almost all of it the very next day? You're not alone. Research shows that our brains forget about 70% of what we learn within just 24 hours. It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not smart. It's simply the way the human brain works. But here's the surprising thing. In Japan, students memorize thousands of complex characters, and they remember them for years. How do they do it? Are they born geniuses? Do they study all day and night? Actually, no. The secret is this. They don't study harder, they study smarter. The truth is, most of us were never taught how to study. We were told to highlight books, reread notes, cram the night before an exam. These methods feel like they work, but they don't. It's like pouring water into a leaking bucket. You put in effort, but nothing stays. Your brain treats this type of studying like background noise, like an ad you skip on YouTube without thinking. And that's not your fault. Scientists even have a name for this: the forgetting curve. Without the right methods, your brain just dumps most of what you learn within days. But there's good news. You don't need to study longer. You don't need to stay up all night. You just need the right tools. Today, you'll learn 5 powerful methods Japanese students use to learn faster, remember longer, and actually enjoy studying. Number 1, active recall. Most students try to push information into their brains by reading or watching videos. But real learning happens when you pull information out. Think of it like a workout. When you lift weights, your muscles grow. When you try to recall something, your memory grows stronger. Here's how you do it. Close your book. Take a blank sheet of paper. Write down everything you remember about the topic, without looking. It might feel uncomfortable, it might feel difficult, but that struggle is what makes your brain hold on to the information. Number 2, the Kumon Method. Learning is like building a tower of blocks. You don't build it all in one day. You add one block at a time. That's the idea behind Kumon, the method used in schools all across Japan. Instead of cramming for hours, they learn in small pieces, just 15 to 30 minutes a day. It doesn't feel like much, but over time it becomes powerful. Even author James Clear talks about this in Atomic Habits. Just a 1% improvement every day can make you 37 times better in 1 year. Small steps add up if you stay consistent. Number 3, spaced repetition. Think of memory like a plant. You don't dump a whole bucket of water on it once and walk away. You water it a little at a time, over days and weeks. This is how memory works too. Instead of studying something once and forgetting it, you review it again right before you're about to forget. Maybe after 1 day, then 3 days, then a week. Each time you review, your memory grows stronger. This is why Japanese students rarely cram. They don't have to. The knowledge is already rooted in their brain. Number 4, Kaizen. Kaizen is a Japanese word that means change for the better. It's the idea of tiny daily improvements. Japanese students don't aim to become perfect in one night. They focus on consistent, small progress. And here's the amazing part. You don't need hours. You only need 6 minutes a day. 2 minutes of active recall, 2 minutes of spaced repetition, 2 minutes of focused practice. That's it. If you stick to it daily, The results will shock you. Number 5. Su, deep focus. In Japan, students train themselves to focus deeply by creating rituals. They might light a candle, sit in the same spot, or always use the same pen. These little habits send a signal to the brain. It's time to learn. You can do the same. Find a quiet spot, turn off your phone, maybe play calm music. When you create that deep focus, you study less but learn more. So here are the 5 tools to learn smarter. You don't have to use them all at once. Just start with one. Try it today. Because the truth is, the best learners in the world aren't smarter. They simply learn differently. And now, so can you. Now, if that's helped you, subscribe our channel for more tips and start learning smarter but not harder.